What's the meaning of biscuit barrel? Biscuit barrel. Biscuit barrel.
Biscuit barrel. Biscuit barrel. The term biscuit barrel typically refers to a container or canister used to store biscuits, which are commonly known as cookies in North America. In British and other Commonwealth countries, it is a traditional kitchen item that can be found in many households, often made of metal or ceramic material with a lid to keep the biscuits fresh and easily accessible. In addition to its practical use, the term biscuit barrel has also become a nostalgic symbol of old-fashioned charm and coziness. It represents a time when homemade biscuits were a staple snack in many homes, and the sound of the lid being lifted was a comforting signal of hospitality.